Okay guys, so today let's start this scripting series of tutorials. Today we're going to create a hello world script that's going to display that message on the console, and then we're going to add the bottom. Then when you press it, it will display that same message on the console. This is going to serve us as the basic for scripting. You know how to create a script, where to store it, how to upload it to the workshop, as well as how to compile it and how to tackle usual errors. So I have this add-on right here. I'm going to edit the add-on map, and in the meantime we're going to go to that add-ons folder, contents, Cisco add-ons, message. In here, create a new folder called scripts, and inside another folder, call it bscripts. And it is in here that we want to create our script. It's a text document, call it console command.js. Open it up with Notepad++, and I'm going to leave it in the description of this video a reference to the API so you can check developer-software.com with all the methods, instances. We're going to be exploring all of this throughout this series of tutorials in the future. In order for the script to work, we need to add a line here that's import instance from cscripts/point script. So this is necessary for a script to work. Okay, and then we need an instance message so that we can print a message on the console. So this is what we need, and semicolon. That's it. This is for the script to work, so save it. Now let's go into our map, and in here we're going to create a point script entity. Script, there is point script. Open local browser, and here is console command.bjs. Accept. Give it a name, console script. There we go. Anytime you create a script, you need to compile it. So go to the asset browser, all assets, console command. There's our script. So you want to right click it, recompile, full. Sometimes it doesn't recompile. So you're going to go to your content. Here's the scripts. You can see the scripts. So you're going to change from content to game. So in those instances where it's not working, you want to delete this file right here. So this file is deleted anytime you right click and create compile full. So you see it's creating it again, but sometimes it fails to override it. So if that's happening, you just delete this file inside game and it should work. So this script only prints a message on the console, so just compile the map. Okay, so nothing is happening. Open up the console, and in here I'm getting this error because it's qmap func filter hello. The message right there was printed cscript hello world. Excellent. So now let us add a bottom, or we'll make it like this. Control T, func bottom, and obviously spam flags. Damage activates. As on damaged, target the entity, that's the script, console script, and you have passed run script input on pressed. Within our script, let's go back to Notepad++. So here within our script, this is what you're gonna add: instance on script input pressed. And so what's gonna happen here? Well, we're gonna move this line over here. Button was pressed. Like that. Save it, and as we compile the map, you want to open the asset browser, right click the script, recompile, full. Fingers crossed. Let's see if it works. There you go. You see the console button was pressed. And so that's how you create your first working script in CS2. In the next following days, as I said, I'm going to be expanding on this series of tutorials. We're going to be making a script that will change the color of the chicken, another one to change the color of the player models, another one to rotate the sun, to change the sky so that it's nighttime, early morning, so that every round has a different sky. So thank you for visiting. This was part 1, and see you in the next tutorials.